Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Today, I'm gonna show you about some formulas which I did it on my the data which I get from the data based on the liquor warehouse sales of the liquor and other kind of items. So today I show you about non-numerical and numerical variables of my data. So while coming to the numerical data, so these are this column one, two, three, and four, and five. So I have five numerical columns and one, two, three, four non-numerical columns. So with the non-numerical columns, I'll create some. I'll find out some formulas: mean, median, mode, range, and maximum of the each column and variance and standard deviation. So for this, I'll for the median we can just directly use the average of the column. I'll show you over here. Mean equal to we can just click on average. We'll get the formula over here. We'll click on it and click the whole column of this. Just keep the bracket over here and just enter. So by this we can find out the mean of the entire say retail sales and same as found out the mean, we can also find out for the real retail transfers and warehouse transfers, same along with the same formula. If we can drag it over here like this. So and we can in the same way we can find out the median by using the median, the same column, and mode we can find out by using formulas and range and um, minimum of this and maximum of this and variance of this and standard deviation of this. So if we can drag all the way down over here, we'll get the it will applicable to the all three columns of the retail sales, retail transfers, and warehouse sales. So and there is one more way to find out without these formulas. Go to data and go to data analysis and click on descriptive data statics. Click on OK and click on somewhere on the here. I need it on. You can just take it out, and I need it on G by G columns. Label it as the first row because we have label of the year, month. So for each column we have labels. So we have to click labels in the first row, output range. So if we can click on new worksheet, it will post in the new worksheet all the data. So I'll click it on output range over here. The output range I'll click it on. I'll take this as output range and some statistics and I'll click on OK. So by automatically it will get all the formulas by through that, and we can in single go we can find all the formulas for the mean, median, mode, range, minimum, maximum, variance, and standard deviation for all those formulas in a single go. So I have a huge data, so it'll take some maybe it'll take a minute or 2 minutes. Let's see. So same way we can do it for the retail transfers and warehouse sales also in a single go. The data analysis makes easier for applying formulas for all these mean, median, and mode mode type of formulas. So we can see here For the retail sales, we got the same exact answers like so I got here 7.02 and the mean I got 7.02 and here standard error I got 0, mean 0.03 02 and the mode I got 0 and standard deviation I got 30.9862 and the minimum I got 96.49 and maximum I got 2739. So we can find out in a single go by data analysis. So I have did some worksheets on it. In the same way, I took retail sales over here and item type over here and here. So I took three columns from the previous data sheet and I did the same math formulas on the retail sales column. So we can see here the same data will match to the previous data which I did over here. So 7.03 and 7.02, 0.0, 0.32, 0, 274, 5.749. So all this data will match over here. Mean I got, median I got, mode I got, zero, the standard deviation I got, the minimum I got, maximum I got, and this also sample variation also I got. So these three, so these seven will exactly match to the formula which I calculated here. And while going to the just give me a second. Just taking up the sound on media. So here we can see the just give me a second. I just got in because of huge data. It is not responding properly. Yep. So it got matched to exactly to the previous values. And while coming to the data sheet number 3, so I did the same math following to the previous sheet on the retail transfers of the product of the particular wine type, particular item type, and in the particular year, in all over the years, in 2017, 18, 19, and 20. So in data sheet 3, I did the same math on the warehouse sales and the item type on wine, beer, liquor, beer, everything and all, which I got from the previous sheet and year 2020 and release. So warehouse sales got it got zero sales in among all over the year and it was a zero zero every month. They got less sales and so let's see, we'll have, so it has a moderate sale for the beer in 2020. And so over here also it got a moderate sale on 2020 for the beer. And even for the beer, it got a good sale in 2020. It got a good sale in 2020 for the beer. And it got a highest sale, the highest number of record sale of 14,408 in the year 2020. So we can see the wholesale sales of the item type of the in the year along with the month also. And for the non-numerical characters or variables, we can find it out by the frequency of the by chart. So here this graphs indicates so I took the supplier from the previous sheet. Um, so the suppliers we can just all select all supplier column and go to the insert and go to the recommend charts. So I got the recommend charts over here. So I placed over here. So this is the recommend chart I got for the non-numerical the supplier column. So we can find out the frequency of the supplier which item type and its frequency, which the frequency supplies among the years. So I got the Republic Nation distributing the co is the highest got the highest frequency among all the years. It got 2000 20,090 95, and the second highest was 13,000. Yeah, 13,000. The Legends Limited, and the least one might be having in the down bottom. Some of them having some of the distribution doesn't have any sales, any frequency going down over here. So it goes very less. The Black Ankle Vineyards LLC. It goes just one. So multiple distributors got single digits, and multiple got double digits, and multiple got triple digits. So highest one is Republic Nation Distributing.co. And while going to the sheet 6, so this is one more non-numerical data type. So this is a wide item type. So this item type, we can go the pie chart of this plot chart, plot chart. So by doing the same as the previous chart, we can find the frequency of the each item type. So here the wine got highest frequency, highest sales in all over the years, and the following liquor got the highest sales following the year, and it got Dunage as the worst performance among all the compared to other type of other kind of items. So here we can see in this chart we can see the each uh, each point indicates each color of wine, beer, liquor, stir supplies, and non-alcohol tonnage, and reference and kegs. So here, tonnage got 95, which is like we can assume it as a very less, and the wine got the highest frequency among all kind of all other item types. So this shows this graph shows the sheet shows that wine is more popular than other kind of items. So and Dunez was the lowest preferable drink to the people. So people interested much in wine than other kind of beverages. So here the liquor is the second most beverage that people like to drink. So this is the calculation on data of my data sets on numerical and non-numerical data sets. Thank you.